It was a stormy night in Uttar Pradesh, India. Radha was in labor with her third child, living in a remote village. The nearest hospital was over 50 miles away. Radha's husband was desperately trying to find a way to take her to the hospital, but the heavy rains had flooded the roads. After a difficult childbirth at home, Radha started bleeding heavily. By the time the rains receded and she was taken to the hospital, it was too late. Radha lost her life due to excessive blood loss during childbirth. Stories like Radha's are all too common in developing countries where maternal health care is lacking. The White Ribbon Alliance India (WRAI) initiated this day to raise awareness of this issue, and the Indian government officially recognized National Safe Motherhood Day in 2003. The day aims to highlight the need for better access to maternal health services, especially in rural and marginalized communities. Despite advancements in medicine, childbirth remains a dangerous endeavor for many women around the world. According to WHO, nearly 300,000 women died from preventable causes related to pregnancy and childbirth in 2017. The vast majority of these deaths occur in developing countries like India, Nigeria, and Pakistan. Lack of access to reproductive health care, poverty, and malnutrition are major contributors. On this day, citizens and health organizations work to promote awareness of maternal health issues and raise funds for better services. Government facilities often organize health camps and seminars to educate women on safe pregnancy and delivery practices. Non-profits campaign to improve maternal health care infrastructure and access in remote areas. Safe Motherhood Day also highlights the immense value of midwifery and community health workers in providing prenatal and postnatal care. While the situation remains dire, progress is being made. With international cooperation, many countries have reduced maternal mortality by over 50% since 1990. However, we still have a long way to go to ensure safe pregnancy and childbirth for all women, especially the most vulnerable. By raising our voices together on this day, we take a stand for the health of mothers worldwide. Our efforts can make a difference in saving lives of women like Radha. April 11 is National Safe Motherhood Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a nice National Safe Motherhood Day. Cheers!